So it's been a while since we've done a vlog. I'm really doing this one because I had mentioned before that I was going to try and release a Unraid / ASRock build this upcoming Friday, but that's looking like it's not going to happen anymore because I have been working with a company to do my first piece of paid promotional / sponsored content, and so I'm starting to work on that now so I can kind of get that through the door or out the door, and so that's something that's kind of like blocking me right now, but I want to get that done and then get to cracking on the ASRock video as soon as possible. And since I have your guys' attention, this is what the future video will be about, so that's coming. Some more teaser content here. So this just arrived on Friday? I can't remember when. So Thursday or Friday, so it's a Dell R330. You guys might remember this from the Toys R Us video that we did. This is in fact one of the ones I sold and I now have back in my possession. And let's see, the ASRock board is up there. That's the one that we'll be using for the Unraid build here in the future. And then there's also, let's see, so we have my first ever Seasonic power supply. So we'll be doing a build for my wife. She's getting the 5960X and EVGA X99 Micro. So we picked up a new power supply, we have a new heatsink for her, and then some more fans that she'll be using for that build. The case is somewhere, I don't know where the case is. It might actually be in the closet. And speaking of which, we actually there's another piece of promotional content. I just totally forgot about this one because it's kind of odd. It's gonna have to do with cable management, so I guess I'll give you guys just a quick look at that. If you guys ever actually wondered how I did do my cable management, I just use this like shoe hanger thing, and I stuck all the cables I would typically use in there, and of course, you know, I have the obligatory giant bin of cables up there. Oh, there's the case, by the way, that we'll be using for her build, and these are the cable management products I was sent. That's gonna be like such a half-assed video. They look interesting, but it's going to be hard for that product to beat my beautiful cable management system that I got going on here. So those are just like most of the things coming in the future, and you know, honestly, I don't really know what else to say for this vlog, but you know, as always, you guys can just drop some comments or hit me up on Twitter or whatever, wherever it may be, and we'll chit chat like usual. So thanks for watching. I appreciate all the support thus far. And remember, it is a paid promotional content. It's not necessarily my words. So keep that in mind as you watch the video that's going to be coming. And I will see you all next time.